If you are struggling with chicken legs, I know how you feel. I too was ridiculed for having skinny legs with hardly no muscle definition. The truth is, I could not afford gym membership or buy weights and workout equipment. Not anymore. Not until I found out about calisthenics and bodyweight training was I able to build my leg muscles and strengthen them. This is what I want you to know, that it is possible for any beginner to build leg muscles without any equipment with 4 simple leg exercises. More on that in a bit. In recent years, bodyweight workouts such as calisthenics have become increasingly popular among beginners looking to get fit without the need for expensive equipment or gym memberships. When you're just starting out with your training, it can be really intimidating. You might feel like you need to join a gym or invest in a lot of equipment to get results, but that's just not true. The truth is, you can get an amazing workout without any of that stuff. But a lot of people struggle to get started because they don't know where to begin or they feel self-conscious about working out in front of others. Others might have busy schedules that make it hard to fit in a training session at the gym. And then there are those who just don't have access to a gym or equipment, maybe because they live in a rural area or can't afford it. One of the biggest challenges beginners face is feeling like they're not doing enough or that they're not doing it right. They might get discouraged if they don't see results right away, or they might get bored with the same old routine. And let's be real, it can be really hard to stay motivated when you're not seeing the results you want. But the key is to find a routine that you enjoy and that keeps you coming back for more. Today, I want to show you a workout routine that you can do anywhere, anytime, without any equipment at all. It's perfect for beginners because it's easy to follow and it targets all of the major muscle groups in your legs. This workout will not take up much time either. First, we're going to start with squats. Squats are an amazing all-around lower body exercise for building strength and endurance in your legs. They mainly target your quadriceps, the muscles at the front of your thighs, but they also work your glutes and hamstrings. To do a squat, start by standing with your feet shoulder-width apart, then bend your knees and lower your body down until your thighs are parallel to the ground. Make sure to keep your back straight, your chest up and your core engaged to get the most out of the exercise. Squats not only build strength but also improve mobility in your hips and knees, making everyday movements like walking or sitting down much easier. Do 15 reps, and then rest for 10 seconds before moving on to the next exercise. Next up, we have lunges. Lunges are another great exercise for building strength in your legs, and they're especially good for targeting the muscles in your thighs. Lunges engages your hamstrings and glutes, which helps improve your balance and coordination. To do a lunge, start by standing with your feet together, then take a big step forward with one foot and lower your body down until your back knee is almost touching the ground. Make sure your front knee stays in line with your ankle as you lunge forward, and keep your back straight. Lunges are a great way to build single leg strength, helping prevent imbalances between your legs. You can add variations to your lunges by doing step-back lunges or side-to-side lunges. Do 15 reps on each leg, and then rest for 10 seconds before moving on to the next exercise. We're also going to do some calf raises, which target the muscles in the lower part of your legs. If you've ever had sore calves after a long walk, this exercise is going to make those muscles stronger. To do a calf raise, start by standing on the edge of a step or curb with your heels hanging off the edge. Then, raise up onto your tiptoes, then lower yourself back down. These will help improve ankle stability and make you more explosive in movements like running and jumping. Make sure to squeeze at the top for maximum effect. Do 20 reps of that, and rest for 10 seconds before moving on to the next exercise. Finally, we're going to do some glutes bridges. This exercise focuses on your glutes and hamstrings, making it an excellent choice for strengthening your posterior chain, which is crucial for a balanced lower body. To do a glutes bridge, start by lying on your back with your knees bent and your feet flat on the ground. Then, lift your hips up towards the ceiling, squeezing your glutes as you go and lower back down. Not only do glutes bridges help you build a stronger backside, but they also improve hip stability, which can help reduce lower back pain. Push through your heels and squeeze those glutes at the top. Do 15 reps of that. The most effective way to perform these workouts is by doing them as a circuit workout. Do 3 rounds of these 4 exercises with a 60-second rest in between rounds. Rest for 10 seconds after each exercise. You will feel an excellent burn. As you start incorporating these exercises into your routine, you'll start to realize that you can achieve some really impressive results using just your body weight. You don't need any equipment or a fancy gym membership to get fit. You just need the motivation to get started. I've seen people achieve some amazing transformations using bodyweight exercises alone. They've gone from being total beginners to getting ripped and feeling more confident than ever before. And the best part is anyone can do it. You don't need to be some kind of fitness expert or have a lot of experience, you just need to be willing to put in the work. So, as you start your fitness journey, I want to encourage you to remember why you started in the first place. Remember how good it feels to push yourself and get results. And don't be afraid to try new things and challenge yourself. That's where the real growth happens. If you've got any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next video. Like and subscribe to Bodyweight Training Tribe for more fitness tips and workouts.